Yes, people, this is Crackers eating our sunflower seed. She love our sunflower seed. Anybody wanna say hi to her, just leave in the comments and say hello, Crackers, and she'll send back a big hello. Scratching your ears? Huh? He loves to eat his sunflowers mix. Yes, this is Crackers. Say hello, Crackers. Hello. Hello. Say hello. You're not gonna say hello because you're eating? Is it so? He does not like to be recorded. So if he found out he's been recorded, he's gonna get real upset. Like, nah. Hello. You don't wanna eat? Video? Look at his tail.